Hi, welcome back to Bobchi's Corner. We're in Bobchi's kitchen, my kitchen. I thought I would bring you along while I made my Instant Pot rice pilaf. I'll show you how I do it. Let's get to it. So the first thing I want to do is hit my saute button. And I'm going to let it start heating up. In the meantime, I will add my 4 tablespoons of butter so that it will start to melt. So let's get our 4 tablespoons of butter in. It is on the saute mode. I'm going to try and get a better angle for you. Okay, how's that? That should be good. So the butter is melting. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of orzo. And I'm going to brown it like golden. The orzo is starting to turn golden, so I'm going to add, just to get the butter on the rice, I'm going to add a cup of Jasmine rice. I didn't have regular white rice, so I'm using Jasmine. Hopefully this will turn out okay. I'm going to add 1 3/4 cups chicken broth. I cheated. This is not my canned one. This is just a bouillon. So I am not going to be adding any salt because there's so much salt in this. There's a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So I did 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. So I did the smoked, not the sweet. I'm just stirring this very well. Make sure everything is stirred up, no clumping. And I am going to cancel my saute. Putting my top on. I'm going to pressure cook for 3 minutes with a natural release. Now I'll bring you back when this is done. Oh, there we go. So how long is natural release? I don't know. Is it when the pin drops? Well, the pin hasn't dropped yet. I don't know. Is that 13 minutes natural release? So I'm just gonna go for it. There we go. Oh, okay. That wasn't too bad. Pin drop. Let's see what we have. Let's see if we can fluff it up. Oh. This is nice. So thank you once again for joining me at Bobji's Corner, in Bobji's kitchen, my kitchen, while I made my rice pilaf in the Instant Pot. Hope to see you soon. Until next time.